Hey, I'm Luna.
And I'm Sage, and this is the Grimoire by Lunary.
Welcome back to another episode where we explore the magic hidden in plain sight around us today.
I've been wondering about kitchen witchcraft lately. It sounds so grounded compared to some of the mystical paths out there.
Exactly that grounding is its power, Sage. A kitchen witch focuses primarily on hearth magic and home protection.
So we aren't necessarily doing grand rituals, but rather cooking with intention.
Precisely. This path embraces fire and earth element energy in very practical ways like seasoning as spellwork.
I love that idea of turning daily routines into actual magic without needing a special altar or anything.
It makes everything from cleaning to feeding feel important for maintaining your home protection wards naturally.
What kinds of tools would someone actually need beyond just their regular pots and pans?
Well, you might love using a sturdy wooden spoon or keeping one favorite pan that feels special to touch.
Those things become anchors. A wooden spoon could symbolize stirring up energy while cooking your weekly intention meal.
Right, and staples like herbs, spices, jars of salt, honey are essential for grounding those intentions safely within the kitchen space.
I assume safety is huge here because we're dealing with fire.
Absolutely. Always ventilate well when using simmer pots or scent cleansing, especially if you have pets at home nearby.
That makes sense since toxic ingredients aren't something anyone wants floating around their living space for long periods like that.
Consistency is also a strength of this path, rather than doing massive spells once every few months or so, unexpectedly often enough anyway.